Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the fridge surface and taking exact measurements because adhesion relies on cleanliness and fit. Wipe with isopropyl or mild soap, then dry. Remove magnets and loose parts. Next, measure height and width, accounting for handles and vents, and add a ½ inch overlap for trimming. Cut your wallpaper stickers into labeled panels so you can work from top to bottom without guessing. Once done, position the first panel loosely to confirm alignment before peeling any backing. You now apply each panel carefully to avoid bubbles and misalignments. Start by peeling 6 to 8 inches of the backing, align the top edge with your marks, and press the exposed adhesive. Then, peel gradually while smoothing with a squeegee or firm card. This forces air out and ensures even contact. When you encounter handles or curves, stop, leave 1 or 2 inches of slack, and trim with a sharp blade for a precise edge. Make sure seams butt tightly rather than overlapping for a seamless look. You finish by securing edges and checking for lift. Heat helps the sticker conform. Use a hair dryer on low to warm the adhesive over curves and press firmly so the material molds around handles and corners. This prevents peeling. If an edge lifts, apply a thin bead of clear adhesive or edge tape and clamp briefly. And if alignment is off, lift slowly, reheat the adhesive, and reapply within 24 hours to regain tack. One tip: persistent bubbles can be pierced with a tiny needle and smoothed out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.